we got something really cool here. Gotta check this out. It's an old-fashioned typewriter from 1938. Listen. These are all the numbers right here. It's pretty cool. You turn this to go to the next page. And if you want to, you can go like shift that to the paper and go. Actually, it's super old. I don't know if it's getting stuck or not, but it is very, very heavy. That's all I can say. It's extremely heavy. And this is where you turn the page. It's very old-fashioned, extremely old-fashioned. Let's go like J. It is very, very old-fashioned. Nowadays we have better technology now, and it's just super old-fashioned. I have to manually do it like this, but it's called a. Let me go and get the thing. It's called a. You can see it's called a. This noiseless portable. See, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but it's very cool actually. Remington Noiseless Portable. It's very nice. I'm going to show you what the newer computers look like if I have one. You see, that's the new technology nowadays, the printer. The printer is the new technology nowadays. I know there's a lot of paperwork there, but I'm just showing you that's the new technology nowadays. And this is the old technology. This is definitely the old technology from back in the day. From way back in the day. You see, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.